Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a look at the Hoover 1 Power Evolve Pet Vacuum. So this is like a 9-pound vacuum, pretty quick, pretty easy to use. And what I really like about this is that it makes cleanup pretty quick and it's pretty small. And so if anything, I'm looking to always do some shortcuts to cleaning up whatever messes I make. And so this really is a good vacuum for that. So what I do like about it is, first of all, it's super light. So it's only 9 pounds. So as you can see, super light. It's a battery, lithium battery powered vacuum. So it's got 1 power lithium ion battery. So it just is really easy. You push in 2 buttons and basically it just pops right out. And that's how big the battery is. And honestly, for the size of battery this really is, it does my entire house. And we have a big hardwood floor area plus a lot of carpet area. And we can do all of it without worrying about the battery dying, which is really kind of a nice feature. So the other thing too is any of the 1 power devices that Hoover has. So they have multiple 1 power devices you can look up. They all work with the same battery. So it's kind of nice. So you can buy a couple of these batteries. The batteries are about 45 bucks a piece. Again, slides are in really easy, locks in place. The other thing I really like, which a lot of battery powered things don't have as much, is it has an indicator light to see how much battery power you actually have, which is nice. So you can make sure that you have enough power to start your projects, to do some cleanup. The other thing I really like about it, canister is very large for the size vacuum it is. It's actually really large. And it pops right off. 1 button pops the canister off. And then you can actually press to access the filter from here, or you can do, and it's got a little trash icon on it, you can actually just push that, the bottom drops out, you can pull the stuff out of the bottom, get all the things cleaned out of it. And what makes it a pet vacuum is really that it has a pet odor filter on the top. So you can actually see it. It says pet odor filter on it. So that's what makes it a pet vacuum. But obviously it can be used for anything. So it snaps right back into place, which is really kind of nice. It has 3 modes to it as well. So it's got brush off, carpet, and multi-surface mode. So for us, you know, we use a couple different modes. We have, obviously, carpet is carpet, no big deal. Multi-surface still spins the brushes. We use that in our hardwood floors to get things up off the floors. And brush off, I'm assuming you would use that for stuff like, if you wanted to suck up like, you know, jimmies or something that you were baking with off the floor and you didn't really need the bristles for it, you just really needed the suction for it, that you could use that. It has really good suction. It pulls everything up off the floor really easily, especially for a battery-powered vacuum. It pulls things off really, really simple. And it's easy to maneuver. So it actually has a swivel, so you can see that the neck of it actually swivels. It's really easy to kind of get under those bar stools, under the table, under the kick area of your kitchen. It's really easy to do that. Kids can use it really easy as well. The other thing I really liked about this vacuum is the easy cleanup of the bristles. So they did something smart. Holly and Savannah have really long hair, so it gets everywhere. We won't talk about Gracie because she's a sweet baby angel, but Holly and Savannah have really long hair. It tangles in here, and so we end up getting these balls of hair just tangled. Well, they put in a ridge in here, so you can just run a scissors in there and cut. So run a scissors, cut, run a scissors, cut. It's really an easy, nice way to clean it up. So you can do that, and it also has the ability, if you want to, you can rotate this and you have access to your bristle. So you can see it's got a lock and unlock. So if you just rotate it, it'll actually pull straight up out, and you can clean it that way as well. So you can do that. Boom. There you go. Now you can easily get a scissors in there, cut, get everything out of your bristles, pull everything out of there, clean it super simple. And then it goes back in the same way. And then you can see that you just got to make sure you get it lined up on the bottom. And right now it's an unlock. Get it, push it in so it's flat on here. Rotate it so it locks, and you're good to go again. Okay, last couple things of this vacuum. As you can hear by switching to modes, when you get to carpet, you can hear that it takes more power. It actually turns on a little bit harder. So you can hear that it kicks up. So it has that multi-surface and brush off. You can hear it stays the same. So the suction's the same on that. So the other thing too is this is really what it comes with. So plugs in, and then your battery literally, when you pull it out of the vacuum, slides into there, boom, and that's really it, right? And it starts charging up, and you know that, you know, so, and it actually does give you some indicator lights as well, and things like that. But What I really wish this had is I really wish this kind of mounted to a wall, because it doesn't. It doesn't have any like ways to mount that to the wall. So, you know, it kind of has to lay somewhere, right? So it's got to lay somewhere where you can't see it. So that's one thing I would probably change with this if I could. The other thing is that this thing retails right now for $199. We've seen it as low as $129. So keep an eye on it. We've seen it at $199, $149, $129, and so keep an eye on it, because you can get a really good deal on this. What I really love about this is the fact that it's battery powered. That's obviously the best thing. It goes all over our house. We can give it to our kids, make them go clean their bathroom, clean their carpets and things like that in their room. It's really quick and easy for them to just grab, access, and do whatever they need to clean up their messes. So that's what I love about this. It's surprisingly powerful. Does a great job on carpeting. I'm really shocked at how well this vacuum actually works. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me if you've used this vacuum before or used something similar to this vacuum. But this really works well. I was actually impressed. I didn't think it would have as much power. When I pulled it out, I thought, man, this thing is super light. How is this thing going to clean anything? It really does a great job. So let us know what you think of it if you get it. And if you have any questions, of course, ask. We'll be happy to answer them for you.